Welcome, food enthusiasts, to a gastronomic adventure like no other. Today, we embark on a tantalizing journey through the hidden gems of world cuisine, where we'll explore the lesser-known delicacies, traditional recipes, and cultural influences that make each region's cuisine a treasure trove of flavors. Join us as we peel back the layers of culinary history, uncovering the secrets and potential of these hidden gems. 1. Exquisite flavors of Asia. In this segment, we savor the diverse and rich culinary heritage of Asia. From the tantalizing street food of Thailand to the delicate artistry of sushi in Japan, we'll delve into the unique flavors, cooking techniques, and cultural traditions that define this vast continent's cuisine. Prepare to be amazed by the complex spice blends of Indian curries, the umami-packed dishes of China, and the nuanced flavors of Korean cuisine. 2. The Mediterranean's bountiful table. Indulge your senses as we immerse ourselves in the vibrant and healthy Mediterranean diet. We'll explore the sun-kissed flavors of Greece, with its fresh seafood, tangy tzatziki, and melt-in-your-mouth moussaka. From Italy, we'll journey through the rustic simplicity of Tuscan cuisine and the savory delights of Sicilian street food. And let's not forget the aromatic spices of Moroccan cuisine, which transport us to the bustling souks of Marrakech. 3. Latin America's culinary tapestry. Get ready for a fiesta of flavors as we dive into the vibrant and diverse cuisines of Latin America. From the spicy salsas and hearty tacos of Mexico to the succulent meats and chimichurri of Argentina, we'll explore the bold and passionate flavors that define this region. We'll also discover the lesser-known culinary treasures of Peru, Brazil, and Colombia, where ancient traditions blend with modern innovation. 4. Unveiling the secrets of Middle Eastern cuisine. In this segment, we unravel the enchanting flavors and hidden gems of Middle Eastern cuisine. From the aromatic spices of Moroccan tagines to the creamy hummus and smoky grilled meats of Lebanon, we'll explore the ancient culinary traditions that have influenced countless cultures. Prepare to be captivated by the intricate flavors of Persian cuisine, the fragrant rice dishes of India, and the indulgent sweets of Turkey. 5. Rediscovering local delicacies. Our final segment takes us on a journey back home, as we uncover the hidden culinary gems in our local communities. We'll explore regional specialties, family recipes passed down through generations, and the diverse fusion of flavors that make up our own unique cuisine. Whether it's the soul-warming comfort foods of the American South, the hearty stews of Eastern Europe, or the vibrant street food scenes in bustling cities, there's an abundance of hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. As our culinary adventure comes to a close, we are left with a deep appreciation for the vast array of flavors, techniques, and cultural influences that shape the world of cuisine. Each dish tells a story, reflects a community's history, and invites us to explore new flavors and experiences. So, fellow food enthusiasts, let us continue to embrace the hidden gems of world cuisine. Let us seek out those lesser-known recipes, indulge in unique flavors, and celebrate the diverse culinary traditions that connect us all. Through our exploration, we can broaden our palates, bridge cultural divides, and experience the true magic that lies within the world of food. Until we embark on our next culinary adventure, remember to savor each bite, share your love for food with others, and always keep an appetite for discovery.